Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your annuity with Prudential detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your annuity with Prudential, start by gathering your policy documents. Ensure you have your annuity contract number at hand. Visit the official Prudential website. Look for the Customer Logins section on the homepage. If you are a new user, click on Register. Follow the prompts to create an online account. Once registered, log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Annuities section. Locate your specific annuity contract under your account dashboard. Review the details presented about your annuity. If you need more specific information, consider accessing the Documents section. Here, you can find your statements and disclosures. If additional assistance is required, contact Prudential's customer service. Use the phone number provided on their website for immediate support. Alternatively, you can send a message through the secure messaging feature on your account. Be prepared to verify your identity for security purposes. Inquire specifically about any details you need clarified. Keep records of any communication for future reference. This process will ensure you have accurate and up-to-date information about your annuity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.